Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. You see this smile? This is the biggest, most expensive I've ever opened on my channel. And you've noticed the title, it says Black Friday. So I got this for Black Friday. There's really nothing else to say. It's something I need my knife to open this up. My boy, come on. I'm gonna share this with y'all. I've never seen one, and that's really unbelievable because my friends has got them. But I have to be delicate with opening up this box. I got it on a major discount, a Black Friday discount, and you're gonna see some other things later on that's gonna come with this. We're just gonna sit this on the side. Okay, here we go. Woo! Here's the paperwork. Look what I got! A PS4. I'm just verklempt. I love PlayStation. I've always had, I still have a PlayStation 1, a PlayStation 2. My 1 I take for traveling. My 2, oh God, I play my drum sets on. But I've never had a 3 or a 4. And I got the opportunity. It's one TB. It came in a bundle. So I automatically get 3 games. The Last of Us, God of War, and Horizon, I think it is. So let's open it up. The last game system I got myself was the Xbox 360. It had basically just came out. So that shows you how long I've been wanting one of these. I could not afford $400 on one, and it was a total, another box. It was a total blessing for me to get this one. And I'm going to hook it up and play it today. Okay, here is the cord. I think this is the charging cord. I've read a lot. I've talked a lot to my gamers. If you're a gamer, hit me up. If you got a PS4, tell me some stuff about it. Let us talk. This is the HDMI. But I want to change it to a thicker HDMI. If you're a gamer, let me know if I'm able to do that or I shouldn't do that. This instead of this one. This one is more powerful. And I'm pretty sure it could hook up instead of this one. Let me know if I'm able to do that or I shouldn't do that. I do have questions. I'm thinking about keeping it flat. Should I do it horizontal or vertical? Let me know if you got a game system and how you hook yours up. I have this remote. Look at this remote. I miss this kind of remote. I am going to, of course, get stuff to hook up my remote. Tell me if you got stuff to hook up your remote if you're a gamer. This is the plug. Okay. Come on, come on. Okay. Here we go. I am going to probably have to get an extra shelving. So you probably will see that to hook this up on because I want to keep all my games together because PlayStation games, there's exclusive PlayStation games and then there's exclusive Xbox games. I just want to share my Christmas gift that I got myself. I am so happy and I am going to be playing. Hit me up in the comments if you have a PS4 because I do too now. Let me know what games are pretty cool. Let me know some stuff about it because this is all new to me. And tell me, because I'm probably going to need another remote. Should I get another PlayStation remote? Or can I get one of them cheap ones? And how cheap can I get one? Because these are almost $30 and up. I can't afford that. I just want this. Throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button.